Many people will remember being read that, the original Grimm Brothers fairy tale, or actually watching the Disney animation as children. So it seemed to me to be the ideal story to put all these concepts together, because Snow White really encapsulates all of the things that we see in complex trauma. We've got loss. There is the loss of mother at birth. There is neglect and abandonment by her father and by the stepmother, and also we have family violence by the hands of the stepmother, who attempts to actually murder Snow White. And so Snow White really represents the archetypal trauma survivor. But this story really applies to everyone. So it's the things that people will learn are applicable to boys and men, because I'm using the characters in the story as metaphors to explore different issues and how they will express and manifest in a trauma survivor. So rather than coming from a one-size-fits-all approach, we are looking at each individual and what their experiences are and how those experiences are being expressed and manifested in their life. And it gives us far more information on how we can actually tailor an approach that is going to be applicable to that particular individual. And so we're reframing those symptoms and behaviours as functional coping mechanisms rather than looking at a diagnostic label. In this workshop, you're going to meet all your favourite characters. So you will meet the wicked stepmother, you'll meet the huntsman and Prince Charming, of course the 7 dwarfs, and also the heroine of the story, Snow White. And what we'll do with these different characters, we'll have some fun with them. We'll understand what do these characters represent in terms of parts of self, and how does this fit into a trauma or a developmental trauma model of understanding a person's experience, and how we might navigate working with those different parts and those different issues that they represent. The Snow White model is a fun approach to what is complex and challenging and oftentimes confusing work. And so I'm very excited to be able to share these concepts, these ideas and practical skills and strategies to assist you in your very important work with trauma survivors. I look forward to seeing you there. For more information about the Snow White Model Workshop and upcoming dates and locations, go to the website delphicentre.com.au.